my Dynamic Greens.
Is Mom getting you some Dynamic Greens?
Yeah.
How old are you?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Do you like Dynamic Greens?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My brother.
Your brother likes them too?
Yeah.
Can you tell my patients to drink your Dynamic Greens?
Yeah. Green.
So patients drink Dynamic Greens?
Green.
What flavor is that? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you drink some for me?
Yeah.
Can you drink it all?
Mm.
Why do you drink Dynamic Greens?
Because they're good.
They're good?
Yeah.
Are they healthy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have them for breakfast every day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't do water.
Put it in water?
Mm.
You like it just plain water?
Yeah, with Ultra Care.
With Ultra Care for kids? You like that too?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, you have fun drinking your Dynamic Greens, okay?
Hey.
Love you.
Love you.